So today I think I'm going to try to clean up these door panels a little bit. I'm going to start off with this passenger side. I have this Ammo Lather interior cleaner, Drive Plus Protect. I've used this before in the past and it seems like it works pretty good. Basically just kind of lather it on, like soak it down. Use like one of these little detail brushes and just kind of agitate it, and then just kind of use a microfiber cloth and wipe it off. So these door panels are kind of dirty, and I'm gonna start off with the passenger side first. The driver's side's a lot worse, but across the very top of the door, I don't know if you can see it here, it's basically kind of almost, I don't know, worn, kind of pulling away. And at some point I might just actually replace the entire panel. So anyways, we'll give this one a try. All right, now I got it all lathered up. Now time to wipe it off. And here's the after. There's still some areas over here where, as you can tell, it's still a little wet. Still got some suds in there, but it's a little cold out today, so might take a little longer to dry, but eventually should look pretty decent when it's all completed. But once that dries, it should look pretty good. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for this one, except for if you see, this one's actually a lot worse. And again, there's areas where it looks like it's starting to peel, but again, chances are at some point I'm going to just replace this panel altogether, but we'll see if I can clean it up. All right, and here's the after. There's still some suds that are, not really fully dried, but I mean, the good thing is some of that dirt that was in there kind of embedded. A lot of that actually came out. I might try to give it another coat, kind of go over it, scrub a little bit more, but overall it actually came out really well. This Ammo Lather interior cleaner stuff actually works really well. Unfortunately, it's like 27, 28 degrees today, so I think I'm gonna probably hold off on the rest until another day, but I'll keep you updated.